Assalamu alaikum. Today we are doing drawing and next part we'll do painting. Let's start drawing. I'm just taking the center of this and I'm going to draw a line, okay, marking 14 and then here 10, 2 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter long, 1 standing line, 3.5 centimeter, here also second. Now what I'm going to do is I just divide this again, as this is 4 centimeter this line, so I have to do after 1 centimeter, and here also I will draw a standing, I'll just put a dot here, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, put a standing line here, this straight. Okay, the same way you have to do it this side. It is 3.5 centimeter long. Okay, now after completing this standing line, we just close the top end. Okay, and then the same way you'll close the side corner. Okay, now you have to make the lines double. Here also the standing, make sure this the side line is little slanting, it's not straight. Okay, finished, done. Now you will extend the same line up. Okay, again the same 3.5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter you will increase the same, all 4 lines, all 4 standing lines you have to increase 3.5 centimeter large. See, done. Now what you will do is, you after doing this you have to join all the top end with a sleeping line. This is a sleeping line, this is little slanting line, and this side also it is a slanting line. So erase this line from here, the top whatever is coming, make it a double. This is a slanting line, this is sleeping line, again it is a slanting line, like this. Now after completing this, you have to extend this line 1 centimeter slanting, like this, 1 centimeter slanting, like this, and this. And after completing this, you have to join them from the top with the sleeping line, here the slanting line, and just make it a double as well, the same way we are doing from the bottom, whatever line we are joining. Okay, and then again the next step is we are doubling it. Now after completing this shape, we have to make a dome on the top. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll start from here at one of the corner and then we'll come here making a dome shape here. So you have to start from here, one end. Okay, give a big C curve, make it stop. The same way you will repeat it here, make a big curve, move up, complete. Okay, this is done. Now we'll come to the next part. Next part is you have to leave, this line was 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so you have to leave 3.5, and then from here, from 0 till 1 centimeter you just leave a gap and put a dot here. The same way you have to draw a on this, from this dot, okay, where I have just left 1 centimeter gap, just make a line of 3 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter long. Okay, now after making this line 3.5 centimeter, you have to make it a double, and then you have to draw again the same standing line of 3.5 centimeter. It's here. Okay, now the gap again, it should be here in between these two, it should be 4. Okay, so again 3.5 centimeter you have to have a line. Now again put our scale back 1 centimeter, from here also 1 centimeter, put a dot, join this line up 3.5 centimeter, this way also 3.5 centimeter. Now after completing this, join the top corners. As I already explained, the sides will be little slanting, the top will be straight. Make it a double, a slanting, straight, and then again a little slanting. Now the same thing will apply. You have to leave 1 centimeter slanting line here, then the same thing 1 centimeter slanting line here. Now the other way, 1 centimeter slanting line, 1 centimeter slanting line. Now join the ends, the same. Okay, make it a double, have it a slanting way, make it a double in a slanting way. The same thing will come here, slanting, double also in a slanting way. Now after completing this, you have to make the dome shape. Start from the end, one of the end, make a dome shape. From here also make a curve, a C curve, and complete the dome. Okay, this is how we have done with two things. Now the third one is left. You have to do the same third one here as well. And let's come to this side. Use a scale again. Okay, and keep your scale here near this this one, and then keep make a box. Okay, just leaving a 0.5 centimeter gap, and then draw a line of 4 centimeter which touches this line. Okay, then join this. Okay, now repeat the same. Earlier the line was leaving some gap here. I'll just repeat the line. From here I just left a gap, and then I will join by making a line of 3 centimeter here. Join 1, 2. Okay, the same thing you will repeat it a little more up. You have to, this time I will leave a gap here, and then I will draw a line of 2.5, then close. Now after completing this, you have to draw a standing line. From here it should be again the same 3.5 centimeter long. No, this not 3.5, it should be 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter. Here also it should be 2.5 centimeter long. Now take your scale again. Okay, and now you have to make the doors of this. Okay, make a slanting line. Start from the center pillar. Okay, here, and then close it here. Make it a double line like this, 1, 2, and then again the same thing you will close. Okay, the same thing we will repeat it here as well. Make a slanting line and then close, make it a double here, and then close. Here the same way, this side also slanting, close, double, slanting, close. And this is in this half. Now after this, coming to this portion, you have to make a curve. Okay, a curve, opposite C curve like this, leaving some gap like this. Make sure in the first half it is a pointed like a triangle, and the center, the next one, it's round. Okay, this second also like this, it's like this, like this, done. Okay, after completing this, you have to come to the top one, the slanting portion. You have to make the door shape like this, curves. Okay, continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. You have to continue here. 1 2 3. Okay, the same thing you will repeat on this side as well as this side. You have to continue. 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4 5 2. Okay, here also the same thing you will repeat. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3. Okay, after completing this, okay, you have to come to the top part here. Here what we have to do, you have to make the design. Okay, that is a spiral shape design. So you have to start from here. If I start from here, making a zigzag wave like this, okay, and then like this. So I will continue like this. You have to continue like this, and then here we have to color them with the help of poster color. Okay, we are going to color them, but before coloring I will just tell you what you have to do. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, like this. Now continue the same thing here. 1 2 3. Now move the other direction like this, this, done. Okay, we have done the drawing. Okay, we are doing only the drawing. The coloring we'll do inshallah in the next part. And hope this is easy, it's not difficult. Coloring and completion with the poster colors we'll do in the next half. See you inshallah next time. Thank you.